Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be doing a showcase on the Stranger Things add-on for Minecraft Bedrock. First of all, when you roam around your world, you'll be able to find a new structure called a ruined house. Inside it, you'll see furnaces, crafting tables, a loot chest, and a Demogorgon egg. After about 1 minute, the egg hatches. The first stage is a small black lava with a yellow spot. It's harmless and runs away from a player, but if you wait a little longer, it evolves. Now it looks like a tadpole with front legs, but it's still scared of you at this point. After more time, it becomes a larger green creature with black legs. It's slightly aggressive, but will run away if you hit it. Then it eventually evolves into a creature that walks on all fours. Its mouth becomes more developed and it will attack you, but it will still panic when damaged. When it becomes near the final form, they will walk fully on all fours, have a fully formed mouth, but not many teeth yet. And the final stage of the Demogorgon is when it becomes a full Demogorgon. If you haven't killed it yet, it evolves into its final shape. It spawns with a scream, then hunts everything. Its mouth has many teeth and looks very detailed. Sometimes it will grab the player as well and use a scream attack on them. This Demogorgon is super scary to encounter in your world. Its stats include 300 HP, it does 10 damage per hit, and that also includes per scream. At the moment it drops nothing, but the creator has expressed interest in wanting to add new features. If you're interested in this add-on, we'll leave the link to it in the description, and don't forget to comment down below what you think the creator should add. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro. Also, Merry Christmas!